You know, every time I walk through that door, I think to myself how much I'd like to watch this mother burn. Just whoosh and gone.
Would you mind mopping? You haven't moved in an hour.
This coming from Captain Perfect, this will make you Employee of the Month, what, like 5 months in a row?
6. You could get one too if you just put forth a little effort.
Nah, I'm good. Only reason I'm still here is because I haven't gotten fired. Yet.
Yeah, I've been a little surprised by that too.
Hold up. It's already been an hour? Sweet, smoke break.
But you don't smoke. Ma'am? Ma'am, are you all right?
Hey, what happened here?
Shit. Is she dead?
Oh shit, she's dead, yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, you saw me poke her.
What are we gonna do?
We? Hey dude, no offense, but this is more a you problem.
Would you just help me? Should we call the cops or what?
I mean, you could, but then you might face like possible manslaughter charges. Oh, and the lawsuits. I don't know, it won't look too good on your character.
Anywho, whatever you do, you better do it quick.
Grab an arm. Grab an arm. Now! Back there! Hi. Hi, Freddy.
You recount Silas's tale from Thursday?
Yeah, Silas is taken care of.
Sure. Finish mopping. Keep this up, might as well make me Employee of the Month. What was that?
I told... Silas is in the back. He's doing inventory.
Sweep before you mop this time.
Yes, sir.
Dude, you really gotta start using the wet floor sign.
What are we gonna do?